My name is Doreen. I'm from New Haven, Connecticut. When I stumbled upon Dr. Mahony, she's a little outside of my radius being down here in Fairfield County, but there was something about her presence and the way that her clientele spoke of her. And I knew deep down inside I wanted to work with a woman. No knock on male plastic surgeons, but there's something about being able to fully empathize with what we go through emotionally and socially that she brings to the table. When I set up a consult with her, I immediately fell in love with her. I did. It was kind of corny, but I did. The staff here is incredibly welcoming. You are instantly a friend, right? They know your name, they want to get to know you, make you feel comfortable. This team makes sure you feel heard and valued every step of the way.